No, Oscar, I've missed you. Let's go. What's up, everybody, and welcome back. We're actually back in Oscar here after been a couple weeks at the shop with big projects and everything going on there. But we're headed to the 365 right now, the dual console from, I believe, probably 7-8 episodes ago, something like that. Here's a clip. Check it out, and you'll see what we're going there for. Let's see what alarms we got, if we got any, or we can go right away. Missing exhaust manifold sensor. Okay, you can't see it, but I just got my arm back there behind on the exhaust sensor and moved it around. We got the alarm to stop. Take a look. Yeah, now we got nothing. The vibration in the motor is turning it on and off just because that sensor, the end is bad on it. So we have a new sensor for it. We'll probably have to pull that generator forward in order to get behind it to do that. So we just got to get there. We're pretty close. Stick around to the end of the episode here. I actually have, I don't know, a few clips that I've saved over the course of filming here that I never used with me and Oscar here. So I will see you at the boat. Well, we made it. Look, we can see the boat peeking right through the crack there. So we'll meet out there. We'll get it down on the lift, get everything opened up, and we'll get to fixing. All right, we have our hatch opened up. This is the old dual console here. I like this boat. I think it's almost 3 years old now. It's 2019. It takes good care of it. Over here, he's got his Sabre. That thing's awesome too. Got some Volvo Penta IPSs in it. Pretty cool rig. It's funny, if you look here, you have SeaStar Optimus steering. The next generation, which is like the next year, is completely electric. It looks the same, but it's an electric ram. And then the year after that, it's integrated into the Yamaha with like the 425 is. Within 2 years, it went from hydraulic to electric to fully integrated electric. It's funny how fast things advance. So we need to go in our hole here. So we can go and undo our 2 bolts here. So we can try to slide this forward because it's basically impossible to get to the back of this generator because it's stuffed back here. So let me undo these and we'll see if we can slide it. Our bolts are out. And hopefully here, I'm far enough back. I pushed our valves in to get my head in here. And our wiring is basically back over here by the exhaust. Very difficult to see. So what I'm gonna do is try to get myself in there and see if I can get that out of there. Got it. I got the old one out. Now let's see if I can put the new one in. Alright, new one's in. We are slid back enough that I'm gonna go turn the panel on just to see. We should get that alarm immediately just like we did last time, so we'll see if it fixed it. Let's see. Well, no alarm. Let's just push the start button. We can turn it off right away just to see if it'll start without giving us an alarm. Yes, you fired right up. No alarm. Just a little bit of touching and vibration usually would cause that to go off right away. Now, I'm gonna run it. You've seen me run generators a million times. Everything should be fine. I gotta put our bolts back on here. Everything is good here. It was just that one sensor. Well, that's all I got for you for today. I don't want to bore you with this repetitive generator stuff that I deal with all the time. As always, I appreciate everybody watching. I'll enjoy some of the Oscar footage. Later. Oscar, it's bath time. The mop monster. Look at the pretty lights. Blow dryer. Oscar, look at you. Oscar, look, it's a fish. Look at all this traffic. We're never gonna get off this island, Oscar. Oscar, look, a Lamborghini. Made it to the big city. Oscar, say hi to Vicky. It's the Port of Tampa. Look, it's the power plant. We're in Apollo Beach. Oscar, we made it back to Clearwater. Look, Oscar, we're home.